So I gotta take out my Skittles and fill it up with them. Have you guys seen these? This is a very common school supply. It's actually very helpful if you're about to take a test and you need to take some notes. You can take your notes on these flashcards and then you can quiz yourself or quiz friends. These are very common at school. So guys, we're gonna use a stack of these, actually just a couple of these, to sneak some candy into class. So I'm just gonna take about 2 of these and I'm gonna create a bigger stack. But not with flashcards, but with some foam board. And here guys, I have already cut out my foam board, which is the same size as my flashcards. Same dimensions and everything, except the thickness, it's way thicker, which will really help us out with this. So right here guys, I have 8 foam boards. And I'm only gonna modify 6 of them. So I'm gonna set 2 aside. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These I'm actually gonna cut the center, and I'm gonna repeat the process with every single one of these. So let me show you an example for the first one. So for this one, I'm gonna cut all of this, guys. Anything within this rectangle. So all this has to go. Alright, so here it is. It's like a picture frame in a way. So I made my cuts on top of this plastic box, and I will do the same to all the other ones, guys. And here are my cutouts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, just as I said. Now these other 2 right here I left intact, because on each one of them I'm actually gonna glue a flashcard onto them like this. So with a little hot glue you can do that. Press on it so it stays flat, and then we're gonna repeat the same thing with the other one. But this one doesn't really matter because it's gonna be on the bottom anyway. Alright, while these dry, we're gonna work on our little stack over here. And each one, guys, we're gonna glue to each other so it just becomes one large thick stack. Alright, my stack is ready. So on one of them, guys, I'm gonna stick this below it. So notice that the black is actually facing us now. Well, because the other flashcard is facing down, and that's how we want it. Alright, that works for us. Now as far as the inside, we're gonna fill it up with some candy because we have a large enough compartment in there for that. So I gotta take out my Skittles and fill it up with them. Spread them out. See, I emptied out the box. And now for this last piece of the puzzle, guys, this flashcard, we aren't gonna glue it on because otherwise we wouldn't have access to the inside. So what we're gonna do is just place it on top like so, and then just with a large piece of tape stick it on just on one side, for example right here. And that's it. It just becomes a large flap that we can open and close as we please. So have this handy on your desk, and from far away it'll look like a stack of flashcards, but in reality we all know what's in there. We just lift up the top flap and grab some candy. This never fails, guys, so try it out, impress everybody, and you will not get caught if you try this out in class.